everyone. This is Shirley, and this is Jammin' with Yarn. I'd like to welcome you to day 2 of my Advent calendars. The first one I am working on, or have completed today, is the one with Christy Cooks from T-Dotto. And today's project was to do stenciling on our junk journal. And so she provided us with these 2 stencils and really nice markers, or whatever you call them. I call them markers. They act like markers, but they're very good, especially this silver one here. And so during the process, we were to stencil, so I did a couple of stencils on here. This one is really nice. This one here is this one, and I did it in silver, which didn't come out. You couldn't see it, so then I put the other one on top. Then I tried to underline it. Really didn't like this. I really found out that I'm not a stencil type of person. Not right now, okay? Maybe somewhere down the line I would love stenciling. I didn't do any more because I started getting frustrated with this one here, and it was like, not for me. So I'm hoping that day 3 will bring my holiday spirit and make me feel good about this project. Yeah, and I'm going to leave it at that, okay? So let's go to the sock. Well, I have already opened it because this is like my 3rd time doing this one, simply for the fact that I ran out of memory and I had to delete some items off my phone. And right now we are doing day 2. So day 2, that was day 1. Day 2 is the hot chocolate or mocha or coffee, whatever you like. It's this beautiful red. It's more detailed than the first one on day 1. Okay, these are very stretchy. And I'm in California, and when it gets cold, I couldn't imagine these keeping your feet warm. To me, these are something that you definitely would wear around the house, at the fireplace, watch a movie, eat some popcorn, drink some chocolate, and be merry, okay? So what I have decided after doing these 2 is that tomorrow I'm going to open day 3 in here. And I'm going to go back and forth so we don't get bored with this. And I will keep going until they stop. If I get a little confused on the numbers, whatever, I know the ones that's already open, so I can't do those. So we just keep going to the end, and that's that. Hang in here with me. So what I did want to share quickly with you guys is what I consider my own journaling, and which I need to get started on. This is the book I was telling you about that my son gave me, just an old book that he had. And to me, this is where my head is at right here. Physically, this is what's going on with me, and it's all good. I'm good with that, okay? And right here, you got to add in a little bit of flavor, and this is some stuff that's going on with life. Just a little bit, We don't dwell on this because this would hurt your heart if you just live in that moment with all that pain. But back to what I was saying was, so what I do is I may write, I printed out some pictures on my phone, which, I was at Staples and they came out super, super huge. And so I just took it as it came. One side, I will put notes, maybe some scraps or something like that, wiggly wigglies, but not stencils. Not for me. Not right now. Okay? But who knows? So, like this here. This is one of the pictures I'll put here. This was at work. And at work, and I'll put what happened, and something did happen after I took this picture. I didn't know that picture was going to be significant, but something did happen on that day. So I'll put that in there and put my notes. Then, if you guys remember, in California, I woke up to this, okay? And that was the fires earlier this year. Okay, and I'll put some notes, and I'll put whatever else, if I remember how I felt, or just whatever it is. And then this was also on my way to work. what it looked like. And the fires wasn't close to me personally, but that smoke carried all the way over, and we all felt the effect of it. And it's just like the virus right now. That virus, we may not have it personally, but it's affecting us all. You know, our life has changed, and hopefully we all can get it together. We can work together and get back to whatever a new normal is. And this was when we went on lockdown with the virus and how things had changed, and the sky was so blue. And I remember just saying, wow, the sky is so blue. I never appreciated the world as I did when we went on lockdown the very first time. It was so beautiful. I mean, I'm not a nature girl, but that made me appreciate what we have. And then, this is when I started doing puzzles, the very first puzzle. And my very last puzzle will be my Santa, I think. I'm having a really hard time with it because it's a pixel. So nothing is clear, nothing is defined, and I don't have young eyes. So maybe or maybe not, Santa Baby will be permanently glued on a board, or I may have to just get rid of him and get a different one for next year. So that is the end of my day 2 of my Advent calendar. I hope you guys are doing well. Take care of yourself, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.